Hey y'all, happy Friday. Welcome to our virtual math class. It is the last day in the different but same series. I am so glad that you are here today. Here is what our agenda was going to be based on what we had said on Monday, because on Monday, you remember, we looked at our week ahead, and on Friday, we're going to do a Flipgrid check-in, review of Chapter 8, and play a Kahoot. However, we did have to change that because so few of us completed our Thursday assignments. Now, if you remember, I posted our Thursday assignments on Tuesday, so you had Tuesday afternoon and evening, all of Wednesday, all of Thursday, and then this morning to get it done. And unfortunately, I only had 7 people in the entire 5th grade that did both parts of our Thursday assignments. And as you saw, as we talked about on Monday, we talked about on Wednesday, in order for us to play the Kahoot on Friday, we had to make sure to do both of our Thursday assignments. And since only 7 people in the entire 5th grade on our side did, we had to rework our agenda. So, today, we're going to begin with a welcoming ritual. It is important that we do that still, nonetheless. And then we're going to look at our Tuesday and Thursday assignments. There are going to be 2 links in Schoology. I'll show you right where to get them in our Friday folder for you to do throughout the video today. But we want to look at our Tuesday and Thursday assignments, what we did, how we can improve, and all of that. And then I'm going to ask you, how can I help? I want to make sure that you are learning everything you need to learn in 5th grade. You can do it. You can be successful. You're so smart. You are awesome. But I want to make sure we're doing what we need to do. Then we're going to take some independent work time to make sure we've got everything done that we need to get done. And then we will do an exit ticket. So, our welcoming ritual this morning. It's a what-if question I want to pose to you. And please share your answer in a Schoology message, in a discussion post, in a text or email to me, or a comment on this video. Share it somewhere. What you think would happen if everyone on Earth stood as close to each other as they could and jumped, and everyone landed on the ground at the same time. So what if everybody got together? There are almost 8 billion people in the world. What if they all got together in probably something the size of about Texas? I think could maybe fit 8 billion people, and they all jumped and landed at the same time. What would happen? Share your answers. I'm very curious. There are no wrong answers because it is a hypothetical question. That's a question just for us to think about and explore possible answers. It's obviously not something we could ever actually try out, but I want to hear what you think. Awesome. So once you share that, come on back and we will move on. So there are 85 5th graders on our team. Our Thursday assignments, there were 2 of them. They have been posted since Tuesday evening, Tuesday afternoon. And I also told you what they were going to be on Monday. I made the expectations very clear, but only 9 students completed the Flipgrid prompt. I think we were up to about 12 this morning, but only 18 students practiced the skill improper fractions and mixed numbers on IXL. IXL is just like if we were doing something on paper at home or in our classroom. It is that independent practice that is so important. We learn what we're doing, and then we practice that skill to make sure we understand and remember what to do. And since we're all virtual, it is taking the place of a paper assignment or a homework assignment. It is the same. You can do all your work on a piece of paper and then just put your answer in. So those aren't great numbers. So I want to know, how can I help? So at this point, we're going to go to Schoology. I'm going to have you pause the video in just a moment. We're going to go to Schoology in our Friday folder. Click here on link 1. It is going to open up a form. Well, it would if it liked me. There we go. It is going to open up this form. It says, hey, reflection on independent asynchronous days. It'll say, did you complete both the Flipgrid response and IXL K6 practice yesterday? You choose yes or no. It will give you a couple of questions. Fill that out, please. That is your time to do. Pause the video here, go to Schoology, click on that link. Remember, it is called Link 1 in Schoology in the Friday, November 6th folder. Link 1, it's right there. Once you've done that, unpause the video and come back together, please. Awesome. Welcome back. I can't wait. I'm glad you filled out that form. It'll help me help you, knowing what I can do to help you get done what we need to get done. Up next, we are going to take some independent work time. You are already in Schoology since you clicked on that link. On the left side of Schoology, there is a tab that says Grades. Click on that. See what you are missing. If there are things in there that you have not done or they're marked missing, today is a day for you to get caught up on it. Spend 30 to 45 minutes today working on things that you have not completed. Our priority, what I want you to do first, is your Flipgrid response. If you did not do your Flipgrid response yesterday, do that today. The link is in our Thursday folder. I'll review how to get there. The second thing to do, if you haven't done it, was practice the K6 practice on IXL. Also, there's a link in our Thursday folder to get there. And if you have completed both of those, work on any other missing assignments. Once you are done with those, we're going to go back to our Friday folder here on Friday, November 6th, and there is an exit ticket link. And that exit ticket just says, hey, what did you work on today? What did you work on during our class time, or if you're watching this recorded video, what did you work on when you decided that it was going to be your time to work on our math class today? That's all it is. Make sure you fill this out. This is how you are getting credit for completing today's lesson. If you do not fill this out, you will not get credit for everything that you did today. So now that you've made it to this point, make sure you click on this and say what you worked on today to get caught up on. What did you not do earlier this week or earlier this quarter that you worked on today to get caught up? Y'all, it is almost time for progress reports. That's why today is a great day for you to make sure everything is caught up. A day for you to check your grades, see if there's anything missing. I will let you know if you did IXL practice and it's not showing up yet in the grade book. Give me till Sunday. I'm updating it regularly. And I'll be doing that this weekend. But if anything is marked missing, has a little orange circle or has a 0, definitely do that as soon as possible. You'll see your final grade or your current grade on the left side. If that is not something you are proud of, not something you like, and you need help with anything, let me know. All Tuesday and all Thursday, I am available to help. I'll show you exactly where you can find those links to meet with me. You don't have to have an appointment. You can drop in anytime you want. So if you are in our Thursday folder, because Tuesdays and Thursdays, I make sure to put that link in. It is right here. It says, I will be available throughout Thursday for help. It's every Tuesday, every Thursday. You can join my help hours right here. There's the link. I'm available from 9:15 to 10 o'clock, 10:45 to 12:15, 1:15 to 1:45, 2 o'clock to 2:30, and 2:45 to 3:45. You're welcome. If you need any help, if you can't get into something, like you can't get in IXL or Flipgrid, or you need help on the practice for IXL, or you need help submitting something, let me know. Drop in. I can help you. I'm available all day Tuesdays and Thursdays. You can also find that link right here in the About This Course page. The link is right there, Mr. Spencer's Help Hours. Click on that. It has the times, same times, and the link to it. If you need help with something, you can also shoot me a message. Click on that envelope button, and it'll say Create New Message. Shoot me a message. I can get back to you and help you that way. You can text me. You can email me. Remember, All of my contact information, any way you need to contact me, is right here in the About This Course folder. So I'll go back to the beginning of our class. It is the About This Course folder. Click on that. Click on Contact Me. It has school phone. It has how to call or text me. It has my email. It has how to book an appointment. It has my mailing address. And then you can, of course, send me a message on Schoology. Awesome. Y'all, we had a rough day yesterday. We did not do everything that we were supposed to do. There were only 7 of us that completed both parts of the assignments, and that is under 10%. Where do we go from here? If you need help with anything, find me, shoot me a message on Schoology, Teams, email, text. Join our help hours on Tuesday or Thursday. I'll be there all day Tuesday. If you just didn't do the work yet, you can do it. You can do this. I believe in you, but it's going to take some work. All right? Have an awesome weekend, Trojans. Make sure you've completed your exit ticket right there in our Friday folder. That way you get credit for doing what you need to do today. And if you need anything at all, let me know. Bye, Trojans.